Good day everyone. My name is Rajesh Chauhan. In this video I will tell you, if you want to become fluent in English but you don't have an idea how can you become fluent in English, how can you overcome your fear. Do you want to know? Then you must watch this video till the end, and after that I will tell you how can you become fluent in English. So first of all I want to tell you, if you want to become fluent in English, then you should keep practicing. And so in this video we will know advantage of listening and advantage of speaking, advantage of reading and writing. Do you want to know? Then you must watch this video till the end, and after that you will know and you will start. Yes, you can start reading, writing, speaking and listening. Because first of all I want to tell you, if you want to become fluent in English, then you should reading, writing, speaking and listening. When suppose that you are able to speak English but you are not understanding, then how can you solve this problem? If you want to solve this problem, then you should listen English conversation voice. Yes, English conversation story, and in English conversation movie. Yes, you have to listen. When you will listen, then definitely after some time you will start understanding. Yes, my dear friends, suppose that you are capable to speak but you are unable to listening, then you cannot become fluent in English. If you want to become fluent in English, then you should listen more than more English conversation video. Yes, you have to watch English conversation video, and after that with the help of listening you can become fluent in English. Yes, because the more you will listen, the more you will understand. First time you are unable, second time you are unable, but third time, fourth time, and when you will listen again and again, then definitely you can understand, then definitely you can start understanding. Yes, and after that whatever you will listen you can understand very easy. Yes, my dear friends, so I want to tell you, you have to listen, you should start listening. Yes, and you have to give 30 minutes per day to listen, then definitely you can speak fluently and confidently. And third, you have to reading. What is advantage of reading? Because you have to read daily new stories. Because when you will read daily new story, then with the help of reading you can collect the more vocab, you can learn more vocab. Yes, my dear friends, and after that you can speak English. Because we are unable to speak English reason because lack of practice, lack of vocab. Suppose that you don't have any vocab, that what will you speak? Yes, my dear friends, so you have to reading, and with the help of reading you can improve your pronunciation. If you want to improve your pronunciation, then you will have to read. Yes, more than more. And when you will read more than more, then definitely you can become fluent in English. And reading, listening and speaking. So my dear friends, suppose you are able to understand but you are not capable to speak, then what should you do? Then you have to speak, you have to speak, you have to practice more than more. Whatever we have to know, we have to speak. Whatever we know, we have to speak. Then definitely we can speak. Suppose that when you have chance to speak among the people, then definitely you can speak without fumble, without stumble. So when can you speak like this? When you will practice more than more. Yes, my dear friends, you have to practice, you have to speak more than more. Whatever you have to know. Suppose that I can speak like this, you can speak like me. You can see this is the mawa tree and there are many leaves, and you can see this is the iron. What is this? This is the iron. You can see this is my soya harvest. Yes, my dear friend, this is my soya harvest. And today cloud is very clean. You can see today cloud is very clean. And So my dear friends, you can see that is my cotton harvest. Yes my friend, and you can see at this time I'm on the roof. So my dear friends, you have to speak like this, then definitely you can speak very fluently and confidently without skipping, without fumble, without stumble. Yes my dear friends, so you have to practice like this. You have to practice as much as possible like this, then definitely you will speak fluently and confidently. Yes, so you have to practice. I hope you will practice. And speak, writing, you have to write. What is advantage of writing? So if you want to know, then I want to tell you, when you will write daily different topic, different story, then with the help of writing you can improve your spelling mistake. Yes my dear friends, so you have to write. What you have to do? You have to apply for trick. First listen, write, speaking and reading, then definitely you can become fluent in English. No one can stop you, but you should keep practicing, you should keep writing, you should keep listening and understand, and reading and writing, speaking and listening. You should, then definitely you can become fluent in English. No one can stop you, because if you want to learn English, then you should not think that I am belong from village, so I can't speak English. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, I am also belong from village. You can see I can speak English. When I can speak English, so how can you not speak English? So if you want to speak English, if you want to become fluent in English, then you should practice, you should listening practice, you should writing practice, you should reading practice. Yes, as much as possible. Then definitely one day you will speak English fluently and confidently. No one can stop you. You can see there are many tiles. Yes, there are many tiles, and you can see, and so my dear friends, you can see, you will do like this, then definitely you will speak English fluently and confidently. No one can stop you. And we should not forget that English comes to practice. The more you will practice, the more you will learn. And with the help of practice, definitely you will become fluent in English. No one can stop you. Why are you making excuses? If you want to learn English, then you should practice with yourself. Yes, you can practice with yourself. No one can help you. But when you will practice again and again, then definitely you will speak English fluently and confidently. So my dear friends, I want to suggest to you, you have to practice, and whatever you know, you have to speak. And you can see that with the help of practice, one day you will speak English fluently and confidently. Yes my dear friends. And second, I want to tell you, you have to give more time to learn English. If you want to learn English, then you have to give more time to learn English. Then definitely you can speak English. Then definitely you can understand English conversation. Yes. So will you listen? Will you speak? Will you practice? And first, before learning, we should know what is our motive to learn English. What is our aim to learn English? After learning English, what will I do? Then first, before learning English, you will have to know this. After that, you can learn English very easy. So I want to tell you, you have to start. And you are you thinking that I want to learn English, but I will start my journey from after some day? Why are you making excuses? Are you saying that I will start my journey some other day? If you want to learn English, so why are you making excuses? You should start your journey from today, because we should not forget tomorrow never come. Yes, and so I want to tell you that we should not fear that first time I will speak wrong, then people may make fun of me. What will I do? It is doesn't matter, my dear friend, because if we have to achieve something in our life, then we should not fear, we should not focus to people, but we have to pay attention our learning. Yes, we have to pay attention our skill. How can I develop my skill? How can I learn English? Yes, we have to pay attention our learning, because the people who are making fun of us, they cannot help us, they cannot help us. Yes, if we have to learn English, then we should practice with ourselves, and one day we will speak. One day when we will get our goal, the people who are making fun of us, they will glad on us. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, we have to learn English. We should start speaking English. We should start our journey. Yes, and suppose that you are thinking that I want to learn English, but I am unable to start my journey. Who will help me? You are thinking that because I don't have any practice partner, how can I speak English fluently and confidently? So my dear friends, even if you don't have any practice partner, but you can learn English with yourself. You can see me that I don't have any practice partner, but I am able to speak English. When I can speak, so how can you not speak English? When I can practice with myself, so how can you not practice with yourself? So I want to tell you, if you want to learn English, then you should start your journey from today. Then definitely you can become fluent in English. No one can stop you. Why are you making excuses? Yes, you are saying, sir, I am belong from village, so I can't speak English. It doesn't matter you are belong from village or city. But if you want to learn English, then you can learn. Only how to give time to learn English. Yes, you have to determine at any cost I will learn English. Then definitely you will learn English. No one can stop you. Yes, before learning English, you will have to determine, you have to say, until I learn English, I will not give up. And even if I will have to face many problems, I am ready, but I am not ready to give up. Then definitely you will learn English. So I am telling you that. So my dear friends, I am telling you, if you want to learn English, if you want to become fluent in English, then you should start your journey from today. And I will help you. Yes, my dear friend, I will help you. I will teach you what is vocab. I will provide many vocab. Turn to go here and there. But only you have to ready. And after that, I will help you. I will make you practice. Yes, I will make you practice as much as possible. Only you have to ready to learn English. And after that I will help you. And with the help of me, definitely you will learn English. No one can stop you. So my dear friends, I want to tell you, if you want to learn English, then you can write in the comment section. You have to say, sir, I want to learn English. Can you help me? Then definitely I will help you. With the help of me, when I can speak English, how can you not speak English? Yes, when I can practice with myself, how can you not practice with yourself? Only you have to ready and you have to say, sir, I want to learn English. Can you help me? Then definitely I will help you, and I will teach you how can you start your journey. Yes, my dear friend, I will start. I will tell you. So I think you got it, and we will meet next session. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. And you can see this is my home, and at this time I'm in the village. And if you want to visit my village, then you can come.